Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Begin by checking the charge, pressing the brake, and pressing the power button to start. Select EV for short trips, hybrid for mixed use, or charge mode to save battery for later. Familiarize yourself with regenerative braking levels and the gear selector feel. Always confirm mirrors, seat, and tire pressure before departing for a safe and efficient ride. Learn the dash and center console layout so you can operate everything without distraction. Pay attention to the battery meter, EV range, and fuel gauge to plan charging stops. Use steering wheel controls for audio and cruise functions, and set regenerative braking for traffic conditions. Enable Eco Assist to smooth acceleration and maximize efficiency. Practice switching drive modes while parked to understand responsiveness before you drive in traffic. To get the most from your Outlander PHEV, anticipate stops and coast to reduce brake use and increase regen capture. Match driving mode to the route, preferring EV in town and hybrid on long stretches. Keep tires properly inflated and minimize heavy loads to improve efficiency. Use scheduled charging at times with lower rates and warm the cabin while plugged in. These habits extend range and cut operating costs over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.